So Black Ops 6 is currently the latest, maybe not the greatest Call of Duty game in the franchise. It introduced many features like Omni movement and Squid Game. So anyways, why not remake this brand new game but horrible in 24 hours? It might just be better than the original product. So firstly, I opened the project in Unity. After this, I gathered the models for the singular loadout that will be in the game. That is the M4 and a pistol. Is it the best? Anyways, now it's time to make the gun work. Metro Boomin, make it boom. Anyways, here's the gun. As you can see, you can even aim down the sights now. Now it's time to reveal the main, integrity of the game. As you can probably see, we have the infamous Nuketown now, which is actually taken from this person. The player can also move now by using this code right here. Anyways, now it's time to actually make some functionality for the game in the form of enemies, so I guess it's time to get started. After a lot of trial and error, I've finished the enemies. Also, before you say those are just beans, I only had 24 hours to do this game, and just programming the enemies and getting them working took 5 hours. I also recreated the new Omni movement in the game that lets you slide in any direction pretty much. And after finishing the enemy, I actually decided to add some miscellaneous things, as the time was actually running out but the core game was already done. So then I replicated the main menu from the original Black Ops 6 and even put in the same UI, which doesn't actually work, it's just a placeholder. After that, I set up the store page for the game, and honestly the game isn't that bad. I think you should give it a try with the link in the description. But one thing is that it's horribly optimized. I mean a game that looks like this shouldn't be lagging on an RTX 3060. In fact, I was even standing 6 feet away from my computer when the game was building, because I could literally smell burning from my computer. Although, considering that this game was made in 24 hours, it's pretty decent. Also, if you guys want to get some early concepts for videos or even provide video ideas, you should consider joining my Discord server with the link in the description. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.